situations or civil emergencies. Specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 10 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. This warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches or warnings for the following counties only in South Central Washington, Scalia and Klickitat. In North Central Oregon, Hood River, Wasco, and Sherman. This test of the warning alarm tone is concluded. We now return to regular programming.
Even that went off. That was a successful weekly test of the emergency alert system on all NOAA weather radios in Wasco County. That one didn't receive one for some reason. This one did, so let's say it's successful. Have a nice day. We were even able to test out the new CB radio, see if it would receive them, and it did.